How to delete Facebook page permanently. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook page permanently. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, let us go to Facebook, and then after going to Facebook, here you have to click on these 3 days on the top right corner. Simply tap on this, and then here on the menu you will find one option. You have to search for one option, that is page. You can see here page here, or either here you will get one option. This is page. Simply go to page. Okay, so I have one particular page here. This is the page. So what you need to do here, you have to just tap on this page, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here, you have to simply tap on the settings gear icon on the top right corner, and then it will the page will be like this. So now you have to click on general. Simply tap on general, and then here the interface will be like this here. So now here you can see you have to just swipe down, and here you will find one option, remove page option. Right after this you can see permanently delete random text. So just tap on it, and then here you can see you will find this type of interface. Simply tap on delete page, and then after clicking to this delete page, here it's loading. Your page has been deleted, you can see here. So this is how you can delete your page on Facebook. So thanks for watching. If it's really helpful, then please subscribe to the channel.